Hi, I'm Drew Carruthers, Product Manager of Construction Training Solutions at CM Labs. I'd like to show you what makes an effective training solution for excavator operator training. Our simulators are designed from the ground up with clear learning objectives in mind. The display system is arranged to mimic the view from the operator's chair in an actual excavator. The controls in the seat come from original equipment manufacturers, so the students get a feel for the equipment from day one. The motion base replicates all vibrations and motions that an operator would feel while traveling, lifting, or digging. The simulator is a complete learning tool to effectively train safe and competent operators and is used today in training organizations around the world. Attention to detail like this means that trainees can effectively transfer their knowledge once they're on a real excavator on a worksite. The Instructor Station allows the trainers to manage the simulator and student exercises. The trainer can introduce excavator faults, challenging weather conditions, or record the student performance for later review. If the simulation's not right, the training won't be right either. That's why Vortex simulators immerse students in realistic virtual environments. This environment presents challenges the operator is likely to face in the real world, including close proximity to workers and other equipment. The Incab Monitor provides additional controls as well as key operational information. Each training session tracks and records operational information such as progress, efficiency, incidents, and volume of excavated material. Now, I want you to meet the team that helped create this learning platform. To develop our learning content, we consult extensively with training schools, OEMs, and our partners in the construction industry. Once we've designed the curriculum, our engineers get to work and start building the simulated equipment and environment we need for an effective training program. Vortex simulators include curriculum that integrates into your own training program. Each simulator comes with many training exercises built in and ready for the classroom. To some, simulation-based training is a game. To us, it's serious business. It's important to understand what's inside your simulator. Inside Vortex simulators is the Vortex Dynamics engine. This engine simulates multi-body dynamics and has been validated against empirical and engineering data. Vortex is used by industry-leading OEMs to engineer equipment. It's a trusted solution. It captures the real behavior of heavy equipment, hydraulics, loads, and earth moving, and gives you the precise, objective criteria you need to evaluate and train your operators. At CM Labs, we engineer the simulations and validate them to ensure they closely simulate the real machine. We use the same engineering tools used by OEMs to design their machines to build the best quality simulations. It's just like the real thing. All simulations are built using the Vortex software platform, an industry-leading solution for multi-body dynamic simulation and visualization. The earth-moving simulation for excavating, dumping, piling, and erosion is based on years of research. It's a documented, engineering-grade simulation with results published in peer-reviewed technical publications. You don't get effective training if the simulation isn't right. In gaming products, for example, digging feels like you're cutting through butter instead of dirt. You get a full scoop every time, and you also get behavior the trainee has to unlearn when on the real machine. This slows down the learning process, or worse, creates unsafe operators. In a Vortex simulator, you have to learn skills and techniques in a training environment that is just as challenging as the real machine. When your trainees are learning how to use the machine productively, that's where the real savings from Vortex training comes from. The accurate soil mechanics simulated by the Vortex engine allows operators to feel the bucket cut into the soil and to feel the feedback force in the hydraulic system. The mass of the soil will be accurately represented and conserved when transferring to dump trucks. This way, operator efficiency can be accurately measured using the collected data. The operator will gain valuable knowledge of this interaction between hydraulics and soil that is not available on game-level simulations. Each Vortex simulator is a complete learning platform. It gathers student metrics to help the trainers measure performance in real time. All metrics are logged and recorded in a centralized database, so instructors can recall the data and generate reports at any time. This creates a traceable record to prove the student has received training and met the requirements to operate the machine. Simulation-based training saves instructor time, allows you to manage higher student-to-instructor ratios, and reduces the time to competency. It's effective and efficient. At CM Labs, we believe that simulation-based training in combination with classroom theory and training on the worksite is the most efficient and cost-effective way to train safe and competent operators. Visit cmlabs.com now to learn more.